Hey everyone, it's Song and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about one of the most beautiful, natural, and sometimes challenging experiences, breastfeeding. Welcome to our guide on the best breastfeeding positions for new moms. As many of you know, I'm not a mom myself, I'm a doctor. But I've seen firsthand in my practice how important finding the right breastfeeding position can be for both mom and baby. Breastfeeding can be challenging, but finding the right position can make a world of difference. It can be the difference between a calm, enjoyable feeding experience and one filled with frustration for both you and your little one. So let's dive into some of the most popular and effective positions. This is your classic go-to breastfeeding position, and it's often the first one moms learn. Start by cradling your baby's head in the crook of your arm, ensuring their belly is facing yours. Tummy to tummy is key here. Next, make sure your baby's mouth is level with your nipple. This might take a little adjusting, so be patient with yourself and your little one. Once they're latched on correctly, you should feel a gentle tugging sensation, not any pinching or pain. The cradle hold is great because it's versatile and can be used in a variety of settings. You can do it sitting upright in a chair, reclining back a bit, or even lying down once you and your baby have gotten the hang of it. Think of this as a variation on the cradle hold. This time, you're going to support your baby with the opposite arm. For example, if you usually hold your baby with your left arm, try using your right arm to support them. This position gives you a bit more control over your baby's head, which is super helpful if they're still getting the hang of latching or if you have a smaller baby. It allows you to really guide their head to the breast and ensure a good latch. The cross-cradle hold is especially beneficial for newborns and smaller infants because it provides that extra head support they need in those early days. This position is exactly what it sounds like. You're basically tucking your baby under your arm, just like a football player running down the field. Their legs will extend towards your back, and their body will be snuggled close to your side. The football hold is great for moms who've had a C-section because it keeps the baby's weight off of your incision. It's also a good option if you have larger breasts, as it can help with positioning and latch. To get into this position, use pillows for support. Prop yourself up in bed or on the couch to make sure you and your baby are comfortable. Ready for a break? This one's for all the tired moms out there. The side-lying position is perfect for those nighttime feedings or just when you need a little rest. Start by lying on your side. Then, position your baby so that they are facing you, tummy to tummy. You can use pillows to support your head and neck, and even a pillow behind your baby to help them stay in place. The side-lying position is a great way to encourage that close bond between you and your baby, and it can be incredibly relaxing for both of you. This is all about finding a comfortable, reclined position. You can sit back in a comfy chair or lie back on a bed or couch with plenty of pillows for support. Once you're comfortable, lay your baby on your chest, allowing their body to mold to yours. This natural position encourages your baby's instincts to latch on, and it's fantastic for promoting skin-to-skin contact. The laid-back position is often a favorite for newborns, as it allows them to feel secure and close to their mom. It's also a great way to encourage breastfeeding in those early days. And there you have it, some of the best breastfeeding positions for new moms. We hope these positions help make breastfeeding a more comfortable and enjoyable experience for you and your baby. Remember, every mom and baby are different, so find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different positions and find the ones that feel most natural and relaxing for both you and your little one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.